This thing is huge. Oh my God. This is like, when you see something that's big, you're like scared of it. This is what this is. Hi, lovely people. How are you? How was your day? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm doing all right. For those who don't know, I was in the hospital. I am home now. I am okay. Thank you, everybody, for all your well wishes and your prayers and emailing me and also DMing me. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys don't know, I have been diagnosed with diabetes since I was 18. So I've had it for about 25 years now. And I didn't always take care of myself. So I just had some complications due to my sugars being, they're uncontrolled right now. So I'm just working on that, but I am okay. So thank you guys again. All right, so if you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing 2 Bombay Cedars. So this is the June, and this is the May. Now, I do know it is July 1st when this video is going up, but because I was in the hospital and everything, I couldn't get it to you in June. I do get these sent free for review, but I typically don't receive these into the end of the month, usually about the last week of the month. So the June box I didn't receive till June 27th, and like I said, you guys know I was in the hospital and then recovering. And so today's the only day that I feel actually pretty good to film. So I do apologize that it is so late. So let's just begin. Let me tell you a little bit. What the heck was that dropped? Let me tell you a little bit about this box if you don't know. So this is a lifestyle box, and you typically get, every month you get an essential oil from Bombay Cedar, which I really like because I really wasn't into essential oils. And now that I've been getting them for the past few months, I really do like them. There are 2 subscriptions. You can get the one that is $29.99, or you can get the premium one that is $49.99, and that is the one that I do get every month. So let's work on the May box and see what is in that first. So this is the May 2019, and I still have the plastic one. I don't even know what is in here. So we shall open that up together. And if you're wondering, I had 3 giveaways going on. They are over. I do go live. I try to go live every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. This Thursday, if I feel okay, I will be going live, and I will be announcing the winner to all 3 giveaways. So make sure that you look out for that at 8 p.m. All right, let me cut the tape on here. All right, so it says, live a life inspired. Yes. That's what it looks like when you open her up. I have a table right here because I used to put everything here, and I have my tripod and everything sitting on the table, and it would shake. So now I have it right here. All right, so the first thing I see, so I think the theme for May was expose. There are a lot of things I want to expose. All right, and then right here tells you what everything is, and it also gives you the prices. All right, so then when it looks like this, it has like a little sticker. All right, so I'm just gonna pull out the first thing that I see. So you always get like a snack. So this month we got the Jackpot sweet and salty popcorn. I love sweet and salty things like the trail mixes and everything. I really like that. So this is $1 actually. I'm going to show you everything that would be in the regular box, which is the $29 box, and then the few extra things that's in the premium box, I'll let you guys know when I pull it out. All right, so we have that, and then we have this thingy right here, which I have no idea what this puppy is. Where you be? So this looks like it would be in the premium box if you did get this. This is a packable straw visor by Wana Trading. This would be $20. It could come in 3 colors. So let's open her up. I notice we're getting a lot of that, which I'm not hating on that because for the summer. All right, so it's just like a visor right here you would put on, and like, oh my God. Almost knocked myself out. So you can make it, let me just show you the picture here. right there. If you guys can see, that's what it would look like. So that's good. So we have that. I will definitely take that with me to the beach. All right, the next thing is this by Magnolia. This is an exfoliating pouch right there. All right, let's see what this says. All right, so this would be on the regular box. So this would be $7. It says, use this shower or bath to gently exfoliate and stimulate circulation. The salts and their naturally occurring minerals will help revitalize the skin. Available in 3 scents: Magnolia, Rose, and Tea. And I got it in Magnolia. I'm going to move a little bit quickly since we do have 2 boxes to unbox. Then we have this thing right here, which I have no idea what this puppy is. What is this? Maybe this is the air freshener? Yeah. So this is $12. Well, the 2 ounces, 7, 12 ounces is, the 5 ounces, $12. This is a fabric and air freshener by Grow Fragrance. So it says right there, Grow Fragrance. All right. And they do package everything very nice. So how the heck... Let's see. I'm just unrolling everything. All right, so this is the 5 fluid ounces, so this is the $12. So this is a bamboo scent. It's the air and fabric freshener. So let's see. How do you... unlock before use. Okay, let's see. Oh, that smells really good. I like the fact that you can unlock it and lock it with this button right here. So there's locked. So it is definitely locked. All right, I do like that scent. So then we have this thing, a mini, what is this? This is a ceramic, oh, we have a straightener. Okay. Let's see, where is that puppy at? All right, so this would be in the premium box. So this is $45. This is mini travel flat iron. So it comes in a little bag, which is really nice. I like that. Let's see how big this thing is. So you have the instructions. And then, oh God, that is small. So it's small and skinny. All right, so that's good. See how it works. The next thing, okay, there's only a few things. What is this? Paint by number postcards. All right, so that's a pretty cool. So these are the postcards right there. That is really nice. So this would be in the premium box. This values at $14. All right, and I think we have 2 more things. So these are the essential oils. Like I said, every month we always get 2. They are always in the regular box as well. So we have patchouli oil and we have radiant. These 2 right here. So let's read up on it and see what it says. Okay, the Radiant Essential Oil is natural oils used to protect and nourish the skin. So that would be valued at $16. And where's the other one? Radiant Essential Oil is, okay, natural oils used to, it's beneficial to ensure the pores are unclogged and stay unclogged. All right, so I guess maybe both of them are for the skin, right? What am I looking at? Am I? Let me see. The one that I have, okay, I'm lying. Okay, so the one is for the skin at $16, and the other one, this one right here, patchouli, I'll leave it right here. This is valued at $16, and this is for a very popular oil, is applied in all 3 world medical systems, but it doesn't say what it's for. I'm not sure, but I guess there's a few of them that you could have gotten. These are the 2 that I got. All right, and last but not least, let's see, is right here from Appeal Cosmetics. And this is a highlighter. This was valued at $29. You could have got bronze, platinum, and gold. And I got, which one did I get? Where does it say? Highlighter drops. I'm having a horrible time. I am not sure which one I have. I don't know where it says the name of it. But it looks like that. This is valued at $29. This must be platinum. I'm not sure. But it's a good color for me. And Appeal Cosmetics, a lot of their stuff is really expensive. Right there. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty, if you guys can see. Okay, I like that. Let's rub it in. All right, so that is everything in the May box. So we have the highlighter. We have, where do you be? The mini flat iron. We have the paint by number postcards. We have both of the essential oils that you do get every month. We have this exfoliating pouch, which is good. And we have the popcorn. So that is everything that is in the May box. Oh, and we also have the fabric air or fabric softener in bamboo. So this is the June 2019. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open her up like that. And here is the pamphlet. So Unwind is the theme for June. And then right here, same thing, tells you what everything is and it tells you a little information about everything. All right, so for the snack for this month is Naked Snacks. This is the maple almonds. So I will give this to my son because he loves almonds. So let's see how much that is. So that would be $2 and that would be in the regular box. And then we have this body wash, Lavender Spearmint right there. And this is $7. This would be in the regular box as well. Oh, that smells so good. I smell actually the lavender and spearmint. I'm definitely excited to use this. This is a nice size too. So I definitely like that. Then we have from Zaya facial wipes right there. And this would be in the premium box. So this is $5, just facial wipes. Then we have this Glow Skincare. I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's $24. It says the stainless steel cold roller is used to help reduce the appearance of pores, puffiness, redness, and inflammation. Put it in the fridge or freezer for 20 minutes before using. Use AM and PM. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's open this up. Let's see. I have never seen this before. This thing is huge. Oh my God. This is like when you see something that's big, you're like scared of it. This is what this is. Oh my God. This thing is like really, really big. I can't stop saying it. All right, so we have that, which I'm definitely excited to try this out. All right. Then we have the essential oils this month. Let's see which ones we got. Looks like there were only 2 this month. All right. So the first one is Petite Grain. I can't pronounce this stuff. This is $17. It says this is for calming and balancing and also to reduce anxiety, calm the muscular system, improve mental clarity, and much more. So that definitely will get put to some good use. And this is called Dream. I hope this can help you sleep. So this will be $24 for this. This is to for individuals who wish to relax and calm themselves. Extreme soothing. This oil can be diffused for a restful night or massaged into the temples for relaxation. I am definitely excited to get these 2. Now that I have so many, because you get 2 every month, I need to find one of them organizers where I can put them all in. Comment down below if you know where I can get that at. All right. The next thing we got is this Calm Mood. So yeah, I guess this does fit the theme. It's Unwind. All right, so this would be in the regular, is it? Yeah, the regular box. This is $50. Holy crap. This says, these all-natural relaxation drops are infused with botanicals scientifically known for the stress-reducing, mood, energy, and performance-boosting properties. Holy crap. I wanted to see how big it was. Get your mind out of the gutter. All right, so we have that. What do you do with this thing? I'd have to, oh my God, the directions are so small. I can't even read it. All right, so we have that. A couple more things. Then we have this lavender hand sanitizer, which I always keep hand sanitizer next to me. I am like addicted to hand sanitizer. All right, we have two more things. We have this Wild and Feather DIY plant hanger kit, which I'm definitely excited to get. I love I really like this. And let's see, this would be in the premium box. This values for $46. And it's just a plant hanger kit and by Wild and Feather. And this whole box, the premium box for June, comes to $184. The mini box is valued at $109. And last but not least, what in the world would you be? This would be in the regular box. This is... It's an accessory for the spring and summer seasons. It can be worn in 10 different styles, available in numerous patterns. Which one will you get? And this is for $9. So you can wear it like as a headband or what have you. So that is everything in the June box. So let's recap. So we have this. We got the DIY. For this month is the hanger. Not hanger. The plant thingy. Then we have this calm mood right there. Then we have this body wash. We have this. Need I say more? We have the facial wipes. And then we have the snacks or the almonds. And then we have this hand sanitizer, which I really, really like it. I think I like June better. Let me know, which one did you like better, the May or June? Do you like, oh, I forgot. Was this for May? This was the May's one I left there. Let me know what you think. Do you like when I do both of them together so you can kind of see like with 2 months if you like it or not, or do you like when I do it separate? Let me know in the comments down below and I will do what you guys want. And that's everything, guys. Let me see if I can find and tell you how much the May's box was worth, because I forgot to tell you. So the premium box values between $178 and $180, and the mini box was anywhere from $94 to $96. So the value is definitely there. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like lifestyle boxes? Do you want to just stick to beauty boxes or skincare? Let me know, and don't forget to let me know how your day is. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.